Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Nokia 5.4. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Nokia. Nice to see that we get very good Nokia phone again. And guys, and this phone is costing around 32,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the Nokia 5.4 and let's see what this Nokia has to offer. And also this phone also give you a 2 years of Android upgrades, so that's really nice as well. And guys, also, and this phone give you a 4 GB of RAM with a 128 GB of internal storage. And also on the color I have is the polar night blue color. So, and guys, also on the front we get a punch hole and you can see. And guys, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Nokia 5.4. And this phone, it is running on Android 11. That's a really unique thing as well in this price range. On the back we get a quad cameras. In the main sensor on the back, it is a 48 megapixel. That's really nice as well. On the front we get a 16 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole. And also on the front we get almost 6.4 inch 720p IPS LCD display. And also this phone is give you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. And also we have a 4000 mAh of battery size with the USB Type-C charging. So now let's quickly unbox the Nokia 5.4 and let's see what this Nokia has to offer in this price range. And now first let me remove the plastic first. And guys, in the first thing we get a 1 year warranty card with the Nokia 5.4 because this phone, it is officially launched in the Pakistan market. And here is the box and you can see. And the unboxing experience is also very different from another companies. Now let's open this box like this. And guys, here is the phone. Now let's out the phone from this box like this. And it says that okay Google, and we also have a dedicated button on the left hand side. Now I'm gonna just put the side here. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And guys, now let's open this thing. And guys, we also get a stimulation tool with the Nokia 5.4. And we also get a soft silicone case, and that's a really unique thing with the Nokia 5.4. And you can see we get a quick start guide and you can see in different languages. And again, it is a soft silicone case that you are getting with the Nokia. Looks like on the back we get a fingerprint scanner. So, and the location, it is also really nice. And guys, now let's open this side. And the first thing we get adapter. Now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter. It is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere and this is a 10 watt normal adapter that you are getting with the Nokia with 5.4. And guys, and this is a hand free. And you can see, nice to see that we get hand free with the Nokia 5.4 because a lot of other brands does not give you headphones in this price range. And here is the cable, and it is a USB Type-C cable, which is also mentioned on the box, but we don't get any fast charging with the Nokia 5.4. So guys, that's about it. Now let's put all these things to the side and now let's see the Nokia 5.4. And guys, here is the phone. So now let's out the phone from this plastic first like that. And here is the blue color of the Nokia 5.4 and you can see. And guys, and this phone looks really beautiful from the back. And guys, on the back we also get lines like this, although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. And on the back we get a quad cameras, and the main sensor on the back, it is a 48 megapixel. And I am really very surprised with the Nokia 5.4 because this phone give you a really good features that we don't see on the previous Nokia phone. So now let's remove this as well from the front like that. And now let's quickly boot this phone up and you can see. And this phone, it is running on Android 1. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and on the left hand side we have a SIM tray as well as a additional button for Google Assistant. On the top we get headphone jack as well as noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker as well as the power on button. On the back we also get fingerprint scanner. On the back we get a quad cameras in this circular shape, and we also have a LED flash on the left hand side. And here is the display of this phone. this phone gave you almost 6.4 inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also on the front we get a punch hole on the left hand side. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Nokia 5.4, and you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone gave you a pretty good display, although we don't get any high refresh rate display on this phone. This phone gave you 60Hz refresh rate display. And here is your notification area of this phone, and you can see. And guys, and this phone gave you a stock Android like software, so that's really nice as well. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the about phone, and you can see that this phone it is running on Android 10. I don't know why this phone it is running on Android 10, because it says that on the box this phone gave you Android 11. I hope that this phone give you Android 11 very soon, but right now this phone it is running on Android 10 right out the box, so that's really disappointing. Also we have dark mode on this phone, and you can see. And guys, we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 111 GB. It is available for you guys right out the box. And you can see that on the bottom we get a big chin. And guys, and this phone gave you a Snapdragon 662 processor, which is same as the Poco M3. And guys, and here is the Poco M3 in terms of the size, and you can see. And the Poco M3 it is little bit bigger phone. On the back we get this matte finish leather type. And guys, also now let's see the fingerprint scanner. And the fingerprint scanner speed it is also really average. I would say it is not the fastest in this price range. I also have a Samsung Galaxy A12, which is also a mid-range phone from Samsung. And you can see A12 give you a water top notch, while the Nokia is give you a punch hole, so that's a really good thing. And also both phones give you a 48 megapixel main camera on the back, although we get a matte finish on the back. And also, and the Samsung Galaxy A12 as well as the Poco M3 give you a 5000 mAh of battery size, while the Nokia is give you a 4000 mAh of battery size with a 6.4 inch display. And A12 also give you a 15 watt fast charging. Now let's see the camera. And guys, and here is the camera UI of the Nokia 5.4, and you can see. And guys, here is your normal, and on the back we get a 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And now let's see the video recording size with the back camera first. And the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps. Guys, we also have a portrait mode on this phone, which is also work on objects. And we also have a night mode on this phone. We also have a slow motion on this phone. And guys, and here is the macro mode on the Nokia 5.4. Now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see. And on the front we also have a portrait mode on this phone, and we also have a cinema mode on this phone. And you can see it is like pro mode in videos. And this phone gave you a pretty good cameras, but the battery size it is not really good on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Nokia 5.4. and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.